talk about you and your family.
Hi, how are you? I'm Lucy. What's your name? Hi, how are you? I'm Lucy. What's your name?
I'm very well, thank you. My name is Ollie. I'm very well, thank you. My name is Ollie.
Where are you from, Ollie? Where are you from, Ollie?
I'm from Afghanistan. What about you? I'm from Afghanistan. What about you?
I come from Vietnam. I come from Vietnam.
How long have you been in Australia, Lucy? How long have you been in Australia, Lucy?
I have been in Australia for 10 years. How about you, Ollie? I have been in Australia for 10 years. How about you, Ollie?
I came to Australia in 2020. I came to Australia in 2020.
Oh, not so long ago. Oh, not so long ago. Are you married? Do you have children? Are you married? Do you have children?
Yes, I'm married. I have 4 children. Yes, I'm married. I have 4 children. What about you, Lucy? What about you, Lucy?
I have 2 children. 1 boy and 1 girl. I have 2 children. 1 boy and 1 girl. What language do you speak, Ollie? What language do you speak, Ollie?
I speak Dari and Pashto. And you, Lucy? I speak Dari and Pashto. And you, Lucy?
I speak Vietnamese and some English. I speak Vietnamese and some English. Where do you live? Where do you live?
I live in Elizabeth with my family. And you? I live in Elizabeth with my family. And you?
I live in Burton. I live in Burton. Who does the cooking in your family? Who does the cooking in your family? Who does the cooking in your family?
My wife does. How about you? My wife does. How about you?
I do the cooking. I do the cooking. Nice to talk with you, Ollie. Nice to talk with you, Ollie. Sorry, but I have to go now. Sorry, but I have to go now. See you later. See you later.
Nice to talk to you too, Lucy. Nice to talk to you too, Lucy. See you. See you.